In this story. So basically all that we've done today is eat breakfast so far, and then we just came back here and chilled. But I'm going to show you guys a little bit of our breakfast from this morning. So now I'm going to show you guys a little bit of our cabin that we're staying in. I'm just going to kind of walk around and show you guys. Okay, so this is our room. Kind of a wreck right now. This is our room. And here is the bathroom. Kind of a mess right now because I just took a shower, but yeah, super cute. And then in here is the kitchen and the dining area. Then here is another bedroom, just looks like this, pretty much the same. Then there is our room. Hey, hey. What's she doing? She need a diaper?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. And
don't video me on YouTube!
say hi! Freaking, you're in my way.
Our YouTube channel is Jason! No one subscribe! No one subscribe, please!
How do I open this door? Oh.
She's so crazy.
And
Get
then
up the door.
here is the outside, kind of like a little picnic area, and then we're pretty much in the woods. And then over here is a hot tub. Yeah, so there's the hot tub, and yeah, it's like super peaceful out here. And here it's upstairs. Oh, Skye! Hi. And here is a front porch. It's like super pretty. Huh?
Hey, your bag. Where's your baby? This is for $10, man. Take that, right?
And here is the last bedroom. So just a little OOTD. Shirt is Guy Harvey from Burks. Shorts are Under Armour. And then the back. And I just have a bun. And yeah, just kind of going with the flow today. Welcome back to our channel.
Hallelujah.
Subscribe.
Can I?
Like and subscribe.
And don't lie. So now we're at the outlets. Woohoo!
almost fell into traffic. This view is pretty, but my view is prettier. So what happened here? So let me see.
Oh, this one. Come here, though.
Hey, you want to be my vlog?
Come here, Space. Let's get this.
Yeah,
done.
here.
Gosh! You'll have to see.
You want to be in it?
Does it hurt?
We don't know.
It hurt my God. Let me get it, button. Let me see it. Let me see
Let me
it.
tase you. Huh?
It's a real taste?
Yeah?
You ain't tasting me? I'm like, what?
No. You ready to get tased, bro?
Okay, 1 second. We have to get a...
Alright, we gotta get it.
now.
We have to. You might hurt your boyfriend here, but who cares? It's for a video to get views. Let's go.
Are you ready? Can I just touch it to you?
Yeah, just tap me with it. Just take it off.
Just like that?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Okay, are you ready? Are you sure? Are you sure?
Yep.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
You ready?
I was ready. Turned out you waited so long.
Did it do anything?
I didn't touch you either.
Get close.
Scared. I know it's hurt. Try to get on the video here. Okay, ready? Turn it. we like moved way over there. Okay, ready?
Yep.
Did it hurt?
Oh, fruit! I wasn't recording.
What did it feel like?
Huh?
What did it feel
It
like?
feels like a very, very, very hard pinch. But it's not that bad. Like, let me do it to you.
Yeah, but what about holding it down very
It's not that bad.
It hurt really bad?
I mean, like I said, it's like a really, really hard pinch.
Well, if we hold it down very long.
You're not supposed to do that.
Okay.
You'll die.
Well, I mean, if you're in real trouble, you're supposed to. Is it still recording?
Yeah.
Ready? You ready?
Wait.
Woo!
Let me see your arm. I'm scared. I have hairs. Boy, I'm gonna break.
Hold on, your battery's gone low. No, it's not gonna. It's alright.
All right, come on.
You ready?
No, I'm not ready.
Your thing's about to die. You plug it up too. Let me just do it. Just one time. You'll be okay. You ready, Ian?
Yeah.
No. Sad, wait.
Wait for what? What are we waiting for?
Scared.
Did I?
No, he didn't. He was gonna think, who's going to call the cops on it? So, I just tased Seth, and I'm way too big of a chicken to do it. I was honestly gonna do it, but I'm too scared, so.
Hold on to wait.
pieces, so where does it come from? The scene that keeps playing on repeat ignores the rule of thumb. Oh, where does it come from?